Okay, so this is co-tree. Okay, this is tree and this is co-tree. So links means the branches of a co-tree are called links. Links are also known as cords. The links are represented with dotted lines like this. Okay, here in this figure also, these are links and these are twigs. Twigs means tree branches. These are links or cords. The links are represented with dotted lines. Number of links L. L is what? L equals to B minus B is total number of branches. Okay, and n minus 1 are twigs. N is number of nodes, so n minus 1 are twigs. So total number of branches minus twigs, this is number of links. B minus n plus 1, number of links. L is the number of links, B is the number of branches, and n is the number of nodes. What is forest? A set of trees, one for each separate part in a non-connected graph is called a forest. For example, if suppose we have a non-connected graph like this. This is non-connected graph. This portion is not connected with this portion. So how many separate parts are there? Two separate parts. This one and this one. Actually in this case that equation L equals to B minus n plus 1. This will also be changed. Now this 1 will be replaced by number of separate parts. So two separate parts are there. So this will become 2. Okay. Anyway, so forest. Forest is a set of trees, one for each separate part in a non-connected graph is called a forest. So a tree for this, for example, this is a tree for this and a tree for this. Now there are two trees, one tree for this connected graph, one tree for this separate part. So this tree with this tree along with this tree, they will constitute a forest. So if there are n number of such kind of separate parts, so n number of trees will be there, one for each separate part, and all of them together will constitute a forest. What is co-forest? Complement of a forest is called the co-forest. Now this link and this link, they will constitute a co-forest. Now next is tie set. What is tie set? Tie set is a set of branches which form a closed path or a loop. For example, if we consider this particular graph and let us consider this closed path. So set of these three branches, this and this, it will be a tie set. Okay. Similarly, if we consider this closed path, so set of these three branches, this and this, they will constitute a tie set. So there is one more thing which is known as fundamental tie set or basic tie set or F tie set. Okay, we will be discussing later.